Hello everyone, this is Zeno Tech Perfect, and in this video we are going to see how to check your VRAM. It's a part of what we've seen in how to increase your VRAM on Windows 10. This is one of my already made videos, so please check it out if you want to increase your VRAM. Let's get started. So we begin. I'm gonna go through two methods or two ways of checking your VRAM. First is you should have Windows 10 and you right click, and then when you right click you click display settings, and then you wait and you scroll down and see here advanced display settings. You click on it and then you also go here down and click on display adapter properties for display 1 and you click. So you wait for it and here it goes. Here you can see this is your VRAM. It's called dedicated video memory, and here I have 2 GB of VRAM. And you can also check what graphics card you have. For me I have just GeForce GT 730, which is really low-end graphics card. Anyways, this is the first method. Now the second method is if you don't have Windows 10 or you use any other operation system, really, you can use CPU Z. So it's actually for CPU, but it also gives you information for graphics. And yeah, this program is made for benchmarking your CPU, but we want to see our VRAM. So you click graphics and then you go down here, you see memory, and then you see size. Next to size it say 2 GB, which is the same as we've seen when you do the method of display settings. And yeah, as you can see it's the same GeForce GT 730, which is also means it also show you what graphics card you have, and that's it. It's so simple and I'm sure you can do it easily. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something today, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.